Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to download Bigo Live app. So in order to download the application, you must first go in Play Store if you're using Android, and you must go to App Store if you're using iOS. So I'm using Android, so I'm gonna go and tap on my Play Store option. So once you tap there, on the top left you can see search icon. You'll have to go and tap on search icon and tap for Bigo Live. So once you type Bigo Live and tap on Bigo Live live stream and then tap on install, that is written in the green option. So once you tap on install, it starts installing. So while it's installing, you can get more information about this app. It allows live stream, video chat, and many more. You can even rate the app and you can see the ratings. So there are various options here. So you'll have to wait till it gets downloaded. So once it gets downloaded, you'll have to tap on open option, and once you tap on open option, you get to this page. So here you'll have to now sign in with your phone, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or the options provided there. So that is how you download the Bigo Live app. So that is up for this video. Hope this video was helpful.